When you have a flood and ARS responds, we come with our hoses and we can go out throughout your whole house, and if your flood is in the basement, most likely your drains are going to be full of water already. So what we can do is we can extract 300 gallons within 10 minutes and put it in our waste tank so it's not going anywhere else on your property.
When it comes to our portable extractors, they're much more than your everyday shop vac. It's basically a shop vac on steroids. It's got a continuous pump out, so we're going to be able to come into your home quickly and efficiently and remove that water without wasting any time, so we, mitigate that damage to building materials. Anytime we come into a flood and we've removed the carpet and the pad, we spray down antimicrobial. This helps prevent future growth of fungal, mold, any bacteria growth that could be there. Because that's one of our biggest challenges when we come into a flood. We want to get ahead of any possible growth from this moisture, and our antimicrobial spray helps eliminate that.
The goal with air movers is to get as much moisture out of the building materials into the air so that the dehumidifier can do its job. We have a couple of different kinds of fans. We have an axial fan which will move air directionally along the base of a wall. It moves a lot of air. We also have centrifugal fans which we can point up to dry out ceilings. We can dry underneath cabinets. Both of these fans move a lot more air than any fan that you would normally have in your home. So if you ever have a flood, don't try to do it yourself. Let us bring in these fans which can do a much better job for you.
This is a high-capacity dehumidifier designed to remove the moisture from inside your home after you've had a flood in your basement. Fans alone are not designed to remove the air. They push the moisture into the air, and the dehumidifier is designed to take that moisture back out of the air up to 38 gallons per day.
This is a wood floor system we use to dry out on floods that we have that have been wet for several days. Typically the floors are buckled, and we'll set these panels down, and what they're doing is they're sucking against themselves and the floor, pulling moisture out of the wood. It typically takes 4 to 5 days to dry. We can also use this on things besides wood, like heavy textures or plaster walls. We can tape them to the walls and pull the moisture out of those walls. We don't set these on every loss, but we do set them on typically areas where there's a portion of a large floor that's wet, and we'll dry out that portion, so we won't have to replace a larger floor.